Hey guys, welcome back. This is gonna be part 2 of the unboxing of my crazy Fansells shopping spree. Wanna hear something weird? I ordered 14 paintings. I unboxed 7 in my last video. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like what? So I rechecked my order. I was like, I did order 14, not 15. And I'm right. I did order 14. So, you know, one of these, maybe it's going to be double. I don't know. Or, you know, we'll see. There's going to be a surprise in here. And I figured why not start with the biggest one, because this should actually be like a three-piece of, you know, what they call it, a tree panel. Maybe that is like packaged in like 2 packages. I don't know. Let's see. There's no thumbnail. Very exciting. Yeah. This is gonna be a 3-box. Okay, that's not gonna fit. Hold on. Oh, that is so pretty. We have two kits. Oh, look at that. And this is, we have no size on here. Doesn't really matter. We can just check it out. One of these is a 22 by 34 times 3. We have just 2 legends, which is great, you know, perfect. We have 25 colors. I'm not gonna remove the plastic because, well, in my previous video unboxing of these, I have one painting where the plastic was torn on, you know, multiple places. So I'm kind of nervous now about this plastic cover. So I'm just gonna leave it on there, okay? So yeah, we have 25 colors. We do have DMC codes. Let me just zoom you in so you can check it out. Here we go. So we have DMC. We have, sorry, a little hard to see with the light. I hope my head is not in frame. Oh, we have numbers and letters, and that's all we got, and I love it. I don't like the weird symbols. See me in a bit. Check out the drill field. Looks very, very clear. Oh! Okay, I totally forgot. This is a square painting. I was just, you know, I unboxed all round paintings, so I forgot I actually ordered a square. So these are square drills, which I love. Oh, so many drills. All looks very, very good. I'm not gonna open the drills and check it all out because, you know, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be fine. I'm just gonna take off a short piece and let's, oh, okay, let go. Very, very sticky. I love this. I can't wait to do this one, which is probably gonna be the case with all of them. But anyway, hold on. Here we go. So yeah, lots and lots of drills. But the drills, you know what, like I said, I'm not gonna open it, but you can sort of like check out the quality just by looking at them like this. Looks very, very good. surprises this far at this start of the video, because the other one, oh my god. I had a bag of drills exploding on me. Okay, now this is a great start. So let's just put this aside and zoom in a bit, because the other ones are going to be so much smaller. Okay, we actually have something written on here. And let's see what we have. Okay. We have an eye. Now that looks stunning. Absolutely stunning. Yeah, kind of speechless right now. This looks really, really good. Okay, this is again a 30 by 40, which will mean a 25 by 35. We have 16 colors this time. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 symbols, which I can handle. We have the same like train, drills, lovely colors in this one. Let's check out the drill field. Very, very clear. The M is very clear. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have any issues with this one. Looks very, very good. Okay. Let's back off and move on, because we still have 6 to do. Okay. Here you go. Okay, let's just stay in the theme of eyeballs. So we just had a green eye on a red dragon. Or I'm imagining these are dragons. Of course, you can make of it whatever you want. But now we have a blue one, and I see something different. We only have a legend on one side, but that's okay. 16 colors again, right? Yeah, again. No symbols or numbers at all, just all letters. And it looks very, very good. Okay, let's zoom in again. Hold on. Here we go. This looks perfect. It's my experience, the drills in these kinds of bags, they're usually just perfect, you know. Never had an issue. And let's look at the drill field. Looks very clear. Oh, look, a painting that matches my nails. That's always a good thing. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna say it again. Can't wait to start on this one. Even though these are very much like snack size paintings, that will only take me a few hours. But anyway. Okay. So far, everything I unboxed, I actually ordered. I'm very curious about the mysterious painting number 8. this gonna be the one? Nope. This is not gonna be the one. This is one I ordered. Oh, isn't they cute? Okay, I already had 2 raccoon paintings on the last video, and now we have this one. It's a cutie. And square drills. This is a square one. Let's see in a little. Again, only 1 legend. 16 colors again. Number 1 to 7 and a bunch of letters, and that's it. Look at this color, 819. I love that one. Yeah, it all looks perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And I'm guessing this is going to be a lot of, yeah, a whole lot of color blocking. That is all color number 16, like all. But yeah, nope. But this looks very clear. Love it. Great. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 5 bags of the 3865. Because that is the letter K and that is all the background. So we have a ton of those. Now this one would really like be done in like a few hours max, because with all the color blocking. Oh, hold on. Hold on. I never had this before. This is my first ever straighter. Look at that. Is that supposed to be in kids? Because not that. Oh, seriously? I have another one and another one. Nope, nope. I did have one with a 10th laser. Nope. 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 Okay. So yeah, this is something special. I mean, I have a huge like plastic straightener, but these tiny ones can be very, very handy. Okay, sorry about that. I really haven't seen that before. Okay, yeah, let's just move on because I'm so curious about the diamond painting. I did not order or got double or whatever. Whatever. Okay. Let's check this one out. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See, nothing in this one. Okay. Now this is just the best thing ever. Okay, I'm a huge Jurassic Park / Jurassic World fan. So when I saw this one, I was like, the Indoraptor, like really? Of course I had to get it. 17 colors, that's different. 2 legends, no DMC codes, not on the drills as well. This is around again. Looks really good. But this one, you can kind of see what I mean. Like this looks like it's actually made for like round drills. But like some others, I don't know if that was my previous unboxing. Let's check it out. Yeah. Never mind this picture or what it's about, but this was a round as well, and it kind of looks like it's made for squares. Like, you know what I mean? And this one is actually, yeah, it's definitely round. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 symbols of 17 colors. Oh my god. This is like everything. This is awesome. The M's are not that clear. Or is it just me? Tell me if it's me. But it's kind of like, yeah, the ink ran out or something. I mean, I'm sure with a light that this will be absolutely perfect, but it just seems so light. And when you zoom out, it's like there's not even a symbol on there. It's that dark. Oh man, I love this image. Okay, getting over it, gone. Okay, next. Okay. Oh, here we go. Oh man. If my boyfriend would see this, I would not be allowed to shop again. This one was kind of weird actually. It was just taped together. It was already open and it's taped. Kind of weird. Kind of weird. What's this? Okay, again, something I did order. Just making sure. Just making sure. Okay, how do I open this one? Oh, here we go. Come on. We have 2 horsies. Yes, I always say horsies. Now this looks very, very clear. And again, this one as well looks very much like what's underneath here. Oh my god. These blue drills, like seriously. If you want to know where they're coming from, you should watch the first part of this unboxing. Okay, but yeah, this kind of looks, well, some of the letters look like it's made for square. We don't have any weird symbols at all. We don't have any DMC codes, which is fine by me. Anything special in this one? Nope. Ooh, we have the like softer plastic with these drills. You know what? Pretty sure it's gonna be fine. I see one like separate bag in there and I'm kind of like, why is it not part of the train? What happened? Probably nothing. Okay, I should really stop talking. Again, perfect. I really like what I see from Fansells thus far. It's my first order ever. And I'm kind of tempted to like go to their website right now and order some more. But you know what? I have enough diamond paintings to last me like a year. That's kind of like, huh? Okay, so we only have 2 left, and one of them is a mystery, and the other one I should have ordered. Okay, again, Let me show you what's going on here. You see, it's already open. It's just taped together. Not really an issue for me, but anyway. Ooh! Okay, this I did not order. I did not order a special shape drill diamond painting, but I'm really happy to see this one. How do I open it? Okay, here we go. Look, look, look. That is cute. It's a tiny one, but I don't mind it. Okay, so in this toolkit we have the plastic tweezers that are very good to use with the, you know, special drills. This painting is so tiny, I really should zoom you guys in so you can actually see what's happening. Even though it's such a tiny painting, we have like 2 legends. It says 30 by 30. We all know, probably gonna be 24 by 24 or 25. 24. I don't know why I'm doing this. That's 24 as well. Okay, so is this something they do? Like you send an extra gift? I mean, I watched a ton of unboxings from Fansells, but I think a lot of them were actually sponsored. So people were getting like free stuff anyway. Of course, this is not a sponsored one. I actually paid for all these. And I really don't mind it, but I don't know if this is something that they do. Ooh, some pretty drills. Oh, look at those. Oh, perfect for nail art as well. Okay, look at the green ones. So yeah, this is cute. Okay, it has the numbers on there. Okay. And we have some like teardrops. Oh, these are pretty as well. We have some in yellow or gold, whatever you want. Whatever you want it to be. This is really cute. I wasn't expecting anything like this. Usually I always order like special shape ones, and now I was like, no, don't fall in that trap, because, you know, when I go there, I was already having like so many diamond paintings in my shopping basket that I was like, no, don't go there. Okay, so now I don't really remember what this last one's gonna be. I mean, we had the Lion King. Well, not in this video, but in the other one. And dinosaurs, raccoons. We have 2 eyes. I really don't remember. Okay, but let's just see. Another parcel. Oh, right. I remember this one. We had dolphins. We didn't have any dolphins so far. We had to get some dolphins. Okay. I'm sounding a little crazy right now. I did not know this was a partial when I ordered it. I probably should have looked like harder. So this has like very few drills. It's just the dolphins and the heart-shaped moon that have drills. The rest is all printed. And again, do you see that? Like torn, don't want to touch it. Okay, so we have 13 colors. We have 2 legends. I'm too much zoomed in. I'm not going to zoom out again. Yeah, we have 2 legends, DMC codes, all that good stuff. Pretty drills. Looks very nice. Okay. Yeah, I'm very surprised by the free special shape drill painting. Wasn't expecting anything like that at all. But again, maybe I haven't watched enough unboxings of Fansells, and it's a normal thing, you know. But I enjoy it. It's fun. I mean, this one has more drills than this one, so awesome. Oh my god, when I look around, the mess. Okay. Seriously. Okay. I'm gonna stop now. Okay. I don't know how long I've been sitting here, but my throat is dry. I need a drink, and yeah, I need to stop talking for a while. So if you're still here, wow, good on you. Like, seriously. Thank you so much for watching. Be safe, happy painting, and take care, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.